Welcome back guys. Hope you all are fine. As you have seen in the thumbnail and title, today we will be making glass morphism in Photoshop. First of all, we need to draw any shape on the background using this tool. Then, change the color of the shape to white and adjust the border of the shape drawn as shown. Now, unlock the background, right-click and click on Convert to Smart Objects. Now, select the shape layer, and press Ctrl button on keyboard. Now, select the background layer and go to Filter, Blur, Gaussian Blur. Now, adjust the blur according to your need. We can adjust the blur if required later. After this, select the shape layer and go to Effects panel and click on Blending Options. Reduce the fill opacity option as shown. And now, do as shown in the video. Here we go, we have created glass morphism in Photoshop. Here we go, we have created glass morphism in Photoshop.